Hi, this friend. Welcome back on my channel. Today we have very important discussion related to the topic of trigonometry. Okay, in my previous lecture we started the some basic foundation and technique how you have to solve the past paper questions or exams questions in your final exam of Cambridge. So that's why you have to watch these videos until and unless you are not able to solve this topic which now I am going to start today. And this is very important and most commonly test topic of examiner in your Cambridge exams. Okay, how you have to plot a graph and how you have to solve identities or equation of trigonometry. Okay, but one important thing, guys, I want to clear you. Okay, according to your syllabus, there are three important graphs that you have to plot: the graph of sine theta, graph of cos theta, and graph of tan theta. Clear? That is the part of your syllabus. Similarly, you have to solve the equations identities to find out the or to plot a graph and to prove the left side and right hand side. So this is common kind of the questions which you may ask in your final exam. And today we are starting first of all ke you have to clear about ke what will be the shape of the sine theta, yani graph of the sine theta and the cos theta and so on, tan theta. Acha, one important thing, let's say first of all, let's say we start graph of sine theta, graph of sine theta. Acha, बच्चों, one important thing, examiner gives you a range. What is the range? For example, theta lies between 0 degree and 360 degree. Clear? Any value of theta lies between 0 degree and 360 degree. You have to plot the graph. How you will plot a graph? First of all, you make a table. What is the table is here? Now let's say, for example, here sine theta and sine. Okay, so just for example, when you have the value of 0 degree, what about the 0 of sine? Give me answer.
0.
0. Okay, just a minute, guys. 0 degree of sine is 0. Okay, right. So now it is 0. Now we have, for example, the value which lies between theta 0 to 360 degree. So you have after 0 is, for example, 90 degree. What about this one? 1.
1.
Okay. And for example, if you have what? Next is 180 degree.
Yes.
So what will be your value is? Again 0.
Yes.
Okay. Similarly, at 270 degree is minus 1.
Yes, -1.
Minus 1. Okay. What about is 360 degree is what?
0.
0.
We are taking degrees as per quadrant system.
Yes. We can take another values, middle of these values. For example, 90. So you may take 150, 135 and so on. We just want to check the shape of the sine theta. Okay, what will be the max value or the min value of the sine theta? Clear? In case of the tan theta, we will pick different values between 0 to 360 degree, and we will have a value of 150, 135 and so on, and find out the value of 10 something. Okay, now look at this one. So just plot this one. So it means look at these values. What is the maximum value of this graph? 1.
Yes.
and what is the least and the lowest value of this graph is -1, and it means the sine theta, the graph of sine theta lies between 1 and -1. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay, so we can write here the max value is 1 and the min value is -1. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay, so now the min value and max value we have right here. So just we can plot a graph. For example, okay, it is 0.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Yes. And these are the value of theta. Am I right?
Yes.
Yeah. Angles. Okay. And this is the value of sine. Okay.
Yes.
Sine theta. Am I right?
Yes.
Yeah. So just put at the value. It is, for example, 1 and this one is
-1.
-1. Okay.
Yes.
You got my point?
Yes.
And now put at the value is here 0. When the value is 0, so you will have this one. Clear? When the value is 90, for example, here, yes, what is the value is
1.
1. And this value. Am I right?
Yes.
And for example, it is your 180 degree. Okay. What about the value is
-0.
0. Okay. And similarly, when you will have 270
-1.
and the value is
Minus.
-1. Okay. Yeah. And the when you will have 360,
0.
so value is 0. So what shape you will have? This one, this one,
Yes.
this one, and this one. And it is called neutral range
What is neutral range?
after 360 degree. It means that you will have this kind of the shape in future. Okay?
Okay.
Right? So it is max value, max,
Yes.
and this is minimum. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Acha, keep in your mind, if you will have, for example, let's say cos theta instead of sin theta. Cos the theta, again the graph of cos, graph of cos theta, right? Yeah. So again this is theta and so on. It is cos, yes, 0. Yeah, find out the value of 0 is 1.
Yes.
Cos 0 is 1. Okay. What about this one is, for example, 90? Yeah,
0.
0. And similarly at 180 degree,
-1.
-1. And similarly it is 270 degree, yes,
0.
0. And similarly is 360 degree, what?
1.
1. So what is the max and the min value? Again the max value is 1
Yes.
and the mix value is
-1.
-1. Okay, so we can plot it.
Yes.
This is theta. This is 0, and again it is 1, and this one is minus 1, and it is 90 degree. Now it is 180 degree, and this is 270 degree, and it is, for example, 360 degree. Yes. The first value is what? 1. So it means here it will start from 1 y-axis. Now it is the cos theta. Yeah. The next value is 0. The next at 180 the value is minus 1. So you will have this value, and similarly at 270 you will have this value, and on the 360 again the value is 1. Okay, so you will have this shape. Okay, right?
Yes.
Okay, now the graph of tan theta. Clear? How you have to plot a graph of tan theta? It is little bit technical, not more technical, but slightly technical graph. Okay. So just we are plotting the graph of tan theta here. Okay. Look at here, theta, and this one is tan value 0, and between 0 and this one is, for example, we take at 0. Now the 45 degree, again it is 90 degree. For example, it is 135 degree. Let's say it is the 135, and this one is 180, and again it is 225, and 270, and so on. What about 270 and 315? And look at this one, this 315. Okay, 315. Yeah, just put it the value here, 0.
But
At
we
0,
take till 360 degree.
yeah, you can move till 360 degree. Yeah, 360 as well. Just mark here because I don't have the place here. That's why it is 360 degree, right?
Yes.
This one is, yeah. Look at, he has given me the answer. At 0,
0.
0. At 45, yeah, 1,
Yes.
1. At 90, infinity.
Math error.
Math error. It is infinity. Am I right?
Yes.
Yeah. 135,
135 minus 1.
minus 1. 180, again it is, sorry, at 180, 0.
0.
And at 225,
1.
1. Okay. And at 270 is again infinity. Am I right?
Yes.
And at 315,
315 minus 1.
minus 1. Okay. again minus 1, and at 360 degree
0.
0. Okay, so अब how you will plot this graph? Look at this one. Okay, right? Okay,
Yes.
0 and tan theta. Yes, the first one. So it is, for example, again the minus 1 and sorry, plus 1, and this one is minus 1. What about this one is 0, and so on is 45 degree, and it is 90 degree, and this one is 135 degree. Similarly, it is what about 180 degree, and this one is 225 degree, and similarly you will have for example 270 degree. Again you will have it is 315, and so on. That is your
60.
360 degree. It is your theta. Okay. Yes. So the first value is here
0.
0. The second value is at 1.
Yes.
Second value is 1. Yes. What is next?
Infinity.
At 90. Okay. So at 90, so just plot a vertical line, dotted line. Okay. So it means that this graph is goes like this one. We cannot decide. It is infinity. Am I right?
Is it asymptote?
Yeah, asymptote, or it is infinitely continuously go up. We cannot decide which will be the maximum value of at 90 degree. Clear? Up now, why I am selecting, yeah, why I have selected these middle values 135, 225, because to decide which will be our next value, either it will be a positive or negative.
Okay.
Okay, so now look at this at 135 the value is minus 1. Okay,
Yes.
the value is minus 1. Okay, the next value is what? 0,
0.
and the other value is what?
1.
1. Okay, this one is 1. Okay, so now I can mark here this graph will be like this one, and at 270 the value is
Infinite.
infinite. So just mark a dotted vertical line at 270. Okay, so this will be like this one. You got my point?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
so now you will have this. Clear?
Yes.
Now look, what about the next value is it means at 315 it is minus 1.
Yes.
Am I right? At 315 it is minus 1. So that will be here. So now it value like this one. And at 1 this it is 0. You got my point? This is the graph of tan theta. That's why I told you it is a little bit technical graph. Clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Acha. Now one important thing. What is? Can I have it?
Yes.
one important thing, that for example, it is not necessary directly you will have a, let's say, sin theta, tan theta or cos theta.
Okay.
Okay, for example, you will have another kind of the trigonometric ratio. What is, for example, let's say you will have sec theta equal to 1 over 2, for example. Yeah. How you will plot a graph of this one? Yeah, so it means that you know that the sec theta equal to 1 over cos theta. Okay, so now I convert it into how? So I can write it 1 over cos theta equal to 1 over 2. So now after cross multiplication, it will be 2 equal to cos theta, right?
Yes.
Clear? So अब it means कि in this condition again, so you will have a graph. Cos theta is positive.
Yes.
Clear? The cos theta is positive. So find out the value of alpha or theta. How you will find out? Okay, now in case of positive, so where it will lie?
The first
All
side is-
are positive.
Yes.
Sine positive, tan positive and cos positive. It means that you will have here and in this quadrant.
Yes.
Am I right? So how you will find out? You will find out the alpha. It's converted into alpha.
Okay.
सही है, alpha is cos inverse of 2. Clear?
Yes.
So what will be the value?
Math error.
Math error, yani infinite. That was the example. For example, let's say we took it. For example, it is 1. Okay. Cos inverse. Yeah. What? Why? Yeah.
0.
Listen. That was 2 now.
Yes.
Okay. Cos theta is 2. So this graph is not possible. This is not possible. That's why I want to tell you this graph is not possible.
Yes.
Why?
Because
I
value is
told you that
infinite.
the cos theta graph always lies between 1 and minus 1.
Yes.
Never the value is 2.
Okay.
सही है. So if you will have this after solution, yeah, in the end of the question, and if I ask you that you have to plot a graph, so it means that you can write remarks here. It is not possible. Reason is that the graph of cos theta, yeah, range of cos theta graph is lies between 0, 1 and minus 1.
Yes.
Clear? Okay, 1 and minus 1. Okay. अच्छा, अब now check it. अगर ये 1 होता तो now cos theta equal to 1, so alpha equal to cos inverse 1. Yes,
0.
0. तो it is possible.
तो फिर अल्फा का
Alpha
मान
is
कैसे करेंगे?
yeah, exactly क्या होता. अब for example similarly let's say कि अब 0.5 है, 1/2 है. For example it is 1/2.
60.
60.
नहीं तो अगर 0 होगा alpha का
Yeah,
मान कैसे
0 है ना.
करेंगे?
Alpha is 0. It means you will have in this quadrant and in this quadrant. Am I right? So it means कि 0 alpha means कि this is your alpha. Alpha always measure along the x-axis. So what about this one?
थीटा क्या होगा?
Alpha equal to 0.
तो
degree.
थीटा की वैल्यू क्या होगी?
सही है. What about the theta? So it means कि in the both condition you cannot define because theta is the distance from x-axis towards the
graph.
graph of alpha. So it means के अब now in this condition the theta it is 0.
Yes.
सही है. And next value of the theta is what? 360 degree.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. Okay.
So that is technical point. Keep in your mind.
Okay.
You got my point?
Yes.
So it means that theta is
360 and 0.
0 degree and 360 degree. Clear?
Yes.
है ना? Okay. अच्छा अब now same for example it means के sec you have to convert into the cos.
Okay.
Clear? And then you will plot a graph of cos theta. Okay, and find out the value of alpha and
Theta.
theta. Okay. Now look at for example here. Similarly, it is cosec theta, and this value is 2. Okay. So what you will do it here?
Convert it into basic trigonometry.
Basic trigonometric ratio in sine theta, because cosec theta you can convert into the sine theta. Okay. Cosec theta you can convert into the sine theta. Okay. How you can convert into the sine theta? 1 over sine theta equal to cosec theta. Okay. So I can write it 1 over sine theta equal to 2. Now multiply to sine theta equal to 1 over 2. This graph is possible or impossible?
Possible.
Possible. Why? The
Because
value
the
of sine theta always lies between minus 1 and 1. Okay? It is possible. So now you can find out theta means alpha. Okay? Convert into alpha when you find out the inverse. Remember?
Yes.
Okay? इसको alpha में convert कर दोगे.
Yes.
Alpha equal to is what? 1 over sine inverse
0.5.
1 over 2. अच्छा. अब guys, one important thing. I told you. For example, that was this one. Cosec theta equal to minus 2. Yes. Cosec theta equal to minus 2. Yes, again. 1 over sine theta equal to minus 2 and change into how? So it will be minus 1 over 2 equal to sine theta and alpha equal to sine inverse what?
1 over 2.
1 over 2. Minus 1 over 2 or 1 over 2?
1 over 2.
1 over 2. I told you that whenever
Alpha
you
is
have to
always
take
positive.
alpha always positive and you have to take a inverse of any angle, so you always take a positive value. Okay, so it will be 1 over 2. You got my point?
Yes.
Yeah. So is it clear?
Yes.
We can move forward.
Yes.
Okay. Now, so another important thing. One important thing, for example, you will have sine theta 2 theta plus 1. Okay, it is equal to 0.5. This is another example. And I told you theta lies between 0 and 360. Now what you will do it? Here you will have
theta.
2 theta plus 1, but you have a range of theta between 0 degree to 360 degree.
So sine inverse of
So
2
no,
theta plus 1.
first of all you will change the range. it is called range. Okay, range of angle. How you will change a range, make it according to this alpha. Okay, this is your alpha now.
Yes.
So what you need to do it, multiply all both side with 2. So it is 0 degree, and this one is 2 theta, plus it is 360 multiplied by 2 is what? Okay, for example, it is 180 degree. 180 degree. Okay, 180. Because we cannot go beyond the 360 degree. That's why I have taken here the 180 degree.
Yes.
Okay, 180 degree. Yes, multiply by 2, so it becomes 280.
Yeah. Multiply
Sorry,
to 360.
360.
Yes.
Okay, and now what? Add
1.
1. Clear?
Yani 1 till 361.
361. Clear?
Okay.
2 theta. Okay. Now you have to plot. Again you will take a sine inverse
Yes.
of 0.5.
Yes.
ठीक है, and plot this angle. Finally you can find out the value of your alpha equal to 230 plus 2 theta plus 1 equal to sine inverse of 0.5. Am I right?
Alpha equals to
So
theta plus.
this is your alpha.
इसका तो साइन इनवर्स अल्फा के
नहीं,
बराबर हुआ.
तो भाई साइन इनवर्स 0.5.
ओके ओके
ओके, यही कर रहा है ना. अब नाउ अल्फा इज रिप्लेस्ड बाय 2 theta plus 1.
ओके.
Okay, now you have to find out what is the value of sine inverse of 0.5.
साइन इनवर्स 0.5 30.
30. Clear? अब now 30. Okay, so it means ke it is, for example, this one is 30. Okay, so what is the range of this one is?
1 degree till 361 degree.
ठीक है, तो it means के it never touches less than this one. It is not equal to this one, remember. So it is less than
360.
360. So I can write it because in the coordinate system you don't have any 361 degree angle.
Yes.
So that's why he has mentioned here the less than. Okay, right? Clear? So keep in your mind. So it is the technical point. Okay. Now what about the value of alpha is? Yeah.
30.
30. This is 30. Okay. And this 30 equal to what? 2 theta plus
1.
1. Am I right? And what about the it means the first angle of theta is 30 degree, and second angle of, for example, where the sign is positive, sign is also positive here. Okay, so this is also 30 degree. The second angle is what?
180 minus.
सही है, तो it means के this is the 230 plus 1. Okay, it is 30 degree, and the theta equal to
30.
180 minus
30.
30 degree. Clear?
तो ये 2 theta plus 1 की वैल्यू नहीं निकाल.
This is alpha. Yeah, I will find out first. Just a minute. Okay, I will find out. So theta is this one. 1. So it means that I can mark here the theta equal to 30 degree and theta equal to what? 180 minus 30, यानी 150 degree. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay.
तो ये तो 2 theta plus 1 की वैल्यू है.
अब now just a minute. Just a minute. ठीक है. Okay. The find out, no, find up now from here. How you can find out the value of theta? So it means that you can find out 2 theta plus 1 equal to what? 30 degree.
Yes.
Clear? So now here the theta, 2 theta equal to 29 degree.
Yes.
Am I right? So again, what the theta equal to 29 degree over 2. So you will
14.5.
14.5. Okay. So you will mention both things.
And 2 theta plus 1 equals 150 degree.
150 degree. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. No, 2 theta not. The theta. It is actually alpha. This one is alpha.
तो ये theta भी तो आ रहा है.
That theta is another angle.
Okay.
Okay, this is equal to alpha. That's why I'm saying. Clear? ठीक है. So अच्छा अब sometime you may have is there any confusion?
हाँ है.
Yes. Okay. देखो मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ कि हमने ये कहा कि now you have to change the scale. स्केल में चेंज किया. This 2 theta, this theta is not equal to first of all this theta जो हमने यहाँ find out किया है. क्यों? इसके बराबर इसलिए नहीं है. ये थीटा जो होता है it is the distance of this point to this point.
ठीक है.
फिर क्या है? This distance is this one.
Yes.
ठीक है. तो ये यहाँ पे क्या आ रहा है? थीटा equal to 150 degree.
Yes.
Clear? This theta equal to 150 degree. And this theta is what about 29 over something 2. So it means कि this is the value of according to alpha. ये आपके पास 2 theta plus 1 है. That is equal to alpha. So this both theta are not equal to each other. ठीक है? Clear? The both theta are not equal to each other. This theta is a part of your alpha. It is the part of your alpha. Okay? तो remember. अच्छा अब आगे मूव करें.
थीटा की तो फिर दो वैल्यूज निकलेंगी.
थीटा की वो yes you will have this kind of the theta. ठीक है. और तो that's why you have to mention. आपको दोनों क्लियर करना पड़ेगा कि now for this one and for this one. Okay? आपको दोनों चीजें क्लियर करनी पड़ेंगी as per the examiners. Okay? Now move forward. We will try to solve other questions that is just foundations कि how you will solve the questions अगर you have this kind of the conditions in your उसमें एक instead of theta or instead of x. Clear? Now you may have a 2x sin 2x ये भी हो सकता है. Okay? You may have a 2 pi over 2 plus 1 ये भी हो सकता है. So depends on your conditions. So when we will solve the questions, so everything will be cleared. Clear? Now we are moving forward. So can I rub it?
Yes.
Yeah. So it means कि if you will have the division, multiplication, addition in sine of theta, sine of something, cos of something, tan of something. So it means कि first of all you have to change the range of angle according to that theta. Clear? और value of alpha. आप range को change करोगे. Either you have to sometime multiply, you have to sometime divide, you have to sometime add or subtract. Okay? Clear? And again we debate if you will have the negative theta or the range, so your movement will be anti-clockwise or clockwise, depend. In case of negative your movement will be clockwise. In case of positive your movement will be anti-clockwise. So keep in all these basic concepts in your mind whenever we are solving. So because we will have the common use of these basic fundamental top concept in our coming questions. Clear? So we are moving towards the some important questions of what are the important questions? Equations of trigonometric ratios. Okay. So now first show that now the equation of trigonometric ratios. Equation of equation of trigonometric ratios. Okay. Yes. Acha, first of all, one important past paper questions. Now, I am not going to mention the year, but it is the past paper questions. What is the question is here? So these are past paper questions. Past papers questions. Okay. Number one. Yeah. Show that show that sec square theta plus 1, sorry, minus 1 plus what? The cosec square theta. Cosec square theta. Theta. Minus 1 equal to what? Sec theta plus cos. Sec theta into cosec theta. Now you have to prove this one. Okay. So there are some basic identities of formulas or equations for trigonometric ratios. Some basic identities. Some basic. Okay. What are the some basic identity? Number one is what? Sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Clear? Another one basic identity, tan square theta plus 1 equal to what? The sec square theta. Third identity, cosec square theta one important things, tan theta equal to sin theta divided by cos theta. And another one is cot theta equal to cos theta divided by sin theta. Clear? Similarly, sec theta equal to 1 over cos theta and cosec theta equal to 1 over okay, you have to keep in your mind. Okay, yes. Acha, up now look at this one. Look at this one. Okay, what I can substitute here? Tan square theta plus 1.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. What I can put it here? Cosec square theta minus 1. When I
Yes.
keep it
So cot
it is
square
equal to
theta.
cot square theta. Clear? So I can put here cot square theta,
Yes.
or here tan square theta plus 1. So now, so it is left hand side, am I right?
Yes.
So left hand side can be this one minus 1 plus
It is sec square theta minus 1, not sec square theta.
sec square theta minus 1, na? Sec square theta minus 1. So keep it here minus 1, so it is tan square. Okay, this one is tan square theta. Thank you. So now what about this one? It is
Tan square theta.
cot square theta. This one is clear. So can I remove it? The square.
Yes.
Am I right? This one. So this one is
Tan theta plus cot theta.
plus cot theta. So what about the tan theta is sin theta over
Sin theta over cos theta.
plus cos theta over.
Cos theta over sin theta.
ठीक है. Why I converted? Because I need sec and cosec.
Yes.
So if I will not convert into the sine and cos or the cos and sine, so we cannot reach towards the sec and cosec theta. That's why we need to convert into these basic ratios.
Yes.
Clear? Now take the LCM. So what about this one? It is
Cos theta
sine square theta plus cos square theta, and in the denominator you will
sin
have
theta plus cos theta.
sine square theta.
So
And
why
the
you are
cos-
cross multiplying?
After taking the LCM. Okay guys? Okay?
Yes.
Yes. So what about this one? In the numerator you will have 1
No, sin.
Okay.
Yes.
cos theta into sin theta. So I can write it. This is your sec theta
Yes.
into
Cosec theta.
cosec theta. So left hand side equal to right hand side.
Yes.
Proved.
Yes. Okay.
Clear?
Yes.
You got my point?
Yes.
Yeah, next. Okay. The next is what? Yeah, the next question is okay. Yeah. Show that what? 10x upon 1 plus sec x plus 1 plus sec x divided by 10x equal to 2 upon sin x. Okay, you need a sign in the denominator.
Yes.
Okay, and 2 in the numerator. Okay, so now left hand side. Okay, so yes, what you need to do it, we are multiplying, taking the LCM.
Yes.
Okay, so after taking the LCM, what you will have here, you will have here 1 plus sec x into 10x. Am I right?
Yes.
and this 10x is 10 square
10
x,
square, 10 square x, yes.
and plus this one is 1 plus sec x whole square.
Yes.
Okay, so now this one is 10x plus 1 plus 2 sec x plus sec x square, and in the denominator still you will have the 1 plus sec x and 10x.
Yes.
Clear? So up now this value is what?
10 square x.
10 square x plus 1, it is equal to
Sec
the
square theta.
sec square x.
Yes.
Okay. So now this one is sec square x plus 2 sec x, right?
Yes.
Or plus sec square x, and in the denominator still you will have 1 plus sec x into 10x. Am I right?
Yes.
So now in the numerator you will have 2 sec square x plus 2 sec x divided by 1 plus sec x into 10x. Am I right?
Yes.
So now factor out sec x, 2 sec x in from the numerator.
Yes.
2 sec x. So it means ke what, sec x plus 1. Am I right?
Yes.
And 1
What
plus,
we have to factor out 2 sec x.
because you can factor out to cancel out with denominator.
Yes.
So it is sec x plus 1. This is 1 plus sec x. So you can cancel out this one. That's why. So now what you have? 2 sec x divided by 10x.
Yes.
Okay. Acha. Now look at this one. This 10x is what? Sin x
Over cos x.
cos x. So now it is, look at here. Sec x,
2 sec x.
2 sec x divided by sin x over
Cos x.
cos x. So when we convert into multiplication, the fraction will be reversed.
Yes.
So what you will have?
2 sec x.
2 sec x
Multiply by cos x
cos x
over sin x.
sin x. What about the sec x?
Sec
Sec x is equal to
1 over cos.
cos x. So it is cos x divided by sin x. So cos x cancel.
Yes.
So now you will have 2 over
2 over sin x.
sin x. Proved.
Yes.
Any confusion?
No.
Clear?
Yes.
Smoothly.
Yes.
Okay, now move forward. Next question. Okay. The next question is what the value is. Solve the equation of this one, and this one is, yeah. Solve the equation 10x over, okay, the same kind of thing. Yeah, one important thing. This is your answer.
Yes.
Clear? Okay. In the next year, he asked what? The same kind of the question, but there is some technical difference with this question. He is asking, case hence what? Solve this equation. Now it is not proved. Okay, what he is saying?
Solve this equation.
Solve this equation. What is the equation? Again you will have the 10x, same kind of the question. tan x 1 plus sec x plus 1 plus sec x divided by what? The tan x, and it is equal to 2 over sin x.
तो ये तो हमें प्रूव करना
Just a
होगा.
minute, just a minute. 0, just a minute, hold on. 0 greater than equal to what? X. This is the difference. Yes. Give me answer. What is the difference between these two questions? Just observe and read.
A range of x values is given.
The range of x value is given. Whenever you have a range of x value is given, so you need to find out the alpha. Clear? So this is not the proof. The same kind of the questions you will solve through all steps you will apply here till that point. Clear? Look at here, guy. Till that point. Right? So finally, what you will do it? You will find out the value of what?
Alpha.
Alpha. ठीक है. So अब now, how you will be find out the value of alpha is here. Clear? So it means, look at here, that value is equal to what?
2 over sin x.
2 over sin x. Okay, we have already solved it. So instead of this value, I can put it here 2 over sin x.
Yes.
Clear? So 2 over sin x. Okay. And again, so it means that now when you will have this value, so you need to plot a graph for this value after solution of this one. Yani either it is possible or not, you will try to solve it. Clear? So it is for your homework. Clear? And same kind of the questions you will solve yourself, right? Same kind of the question you will solve yourself. That is your homework. Okay, try yourself. Then chat, then just keep me just send me a message, ठीक है, on the chat box if you will have a confusion, so we will solve in my coming class. Okay, now move forward just a minute. Yeah, so okay, another kind of the question is that, for example, this one, we are moving towards this one. What? 1 plus 3 sin x. Yeah.
इसका भी ग्राफ प्लॉट करेंगे.
So अब now the same kind of the questions you will have, but there is the difference. This one, clear? So what we will do it here. So this value we have already find out.
तो ये तो उसके बराबर आ रही है.
Just no. So this is, he is not asking about this one. It is an equation. उसने आपको एक equation given दी हुई है. वो कह रहा है solve this equation. This is your equal to this one. How you will solve this equation? Like x plus 2x, same kind of thing. कि for example, let's say यूं दिया हुआ है कि भाई 2x plus 3y equal to 7y. Solve this equation.
तो ये तो हो ही नहीं सकती.
No. क्या करोगे? You need to solve, find out the value of x and y.
Yes.
Clear? अब look at here. What about this one? It will be 2 over sin x. We have solved it. So now all the step which you have applied here, I am just going to write directly. What? 2 over
sin x.
लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. तो इसको सॉल्व करो. इक्वेशन में दोनों साइड्स को एक साथ लेकर चलते हैं. क्लियर? तो नाउ इट इज 2 over sin x that is equal to 1 plus 3
sin x.
Clear? Multiply.
Yes.
तो what? 2 equal to
sin x
sin x
into 1 plus 3 sin x.
3 sine square x.
Sin x plus
Clear?
3 sin square.
3 sine square x,
Yes.
and keep it move here.
Yes.
So what about
3
sine 3 sine square x plus sine x minus 2 equal to 0. Clear?
Yes.
Now it is kind of the quadratic equation.
Yes.
ठीक, so you need to factor out this equation. Okay, what is the factor? 3 2s are 6. So 3 2s are 6. I can factor out this equation.
Yes.
So what are the factors?
6
3
into 1
sine square x. Clear?
plus
So plus 3 sine x or minus 2 sine x. Am I right?
तो वो कहाँ गया जो अभी फैक्टर आउट किया था
3 minus 2 sine x. Factor out here. Just consider this is x and constant. Okay?
Okay.
Right? You got my point?
Yes.
I just factor out this equation. So now you can find out the value
Yes.
of how?
3
No, factor out 3
sin x
sin x.
sin
So
x
sin x plus
नहीं sin होगा
sin x 1 sin x. Sin x
तो
1 sin x is factor
sin
out.
x तो बाहर निकल गया
तो एक बचेगा ना.
sin स्क्वायर sin बचेगा ना सिर्फ sin x into sin x तो sin तो x पे स्क्वायर नहीं आएगा
नहीं भाई, तो ये दो है ना, तो एक जैसे समझो इसको x स्क्वायर की तरह समझो ना. एक बाहर आ गया तो sin x बचा. अंदर क्या बचेगा? इधर 1 बचेगा. 3 भी बाहर आ चुका है. अब नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू सब्ट्रैक्ट -2 फ्रॉम हियर. तो क्या आएगा अंदर? sin x plus 1 equal to 0. Just simple factor. भूल जाओ it is the sin x and something else. Just consider x y z.
तो उधर चले जाएगा फिर
तो अब क्या हो गया?
Divide by zero
now
आएगा।
अब 2 वैल्यूज हो गई ना. नाउ यू विल हैव अगेन फैक्टर आउट. फैक्टर भूल गए हो क्या? इसको निकालूंगा तो ये क्या होगा? 3x 3 sin x minus 2. क्लियर?
3 sin x minus 2
3. Now what will be the factor? 3 sin x minus 2 into what?
sin x plus 1
Sin x plus 1 equal to 0. ऐसे ही है.
yes
Okay, so what about the value? So one value is 3 sin x minus 2 equal to 0, or what? Sin x plus 1 equal to 0. Am I right?
yes
So what you will have?
x equals sin inverse 2 over 3
2 over 3.
yes
And what about this one?
sin inverse minus 1
तो अब ये क्या होगा? अल्फा इक्वल टू साइन इनवर्स 2 over 3,
yes
और अल्फा इक्वल टू साइन इनवर्स 1. Am I right?
sin inverse minus 1
No, -1.
तो x की वैल्यू निकाल रहे हैं ना
So now it is alpha. Again the same condition you will apply here, which I told you in my previous lecture. Clear? Always consider the positive value whenever you take a inverse.
sin inverse 90
So this one is 90.
yes
Okay, this one is
90
90. So now here is 90 degree alpha. So it is acceptable. Alpha may be 90 degree.
yes
Clear? What about this one? 2 over 3.
41.8
41.8. So alpha equal to 41.8 degree and alpha equal to 90 degree. Now we have to plot a graph to find out the theta. Okay,
yes
theta range is given 0 to 360 degree.
yes
Okay, 0 degree and 360 degree. and this is 90 degree. It is anti-clock or clockwise movement?
Anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise. Clear? So now the first value is alpha is equal to 41 point something. So sine is positive.
Yes.
So where you will have
So first quadrant and second quadrant.
first and okay. So 41.8 it is alpha,
Yes.
and 41.8 is it is alpha.
So 90
Yeah.
beta alpha.
We will plot another graph now.
That's it.
Okay. So now consider theta is
41.8.
theta equal to 41.8. Okay. Now the next value is
180 minus 41.8.
yes. Yeah, 180 minus 41.8.
138.2.
138.2. Okay. Okay. 138.2. Okay. So up now look at this one. Okay. Okay, sine is minus. Sine x is minus in this case.
तो
Sine x is minus. So where will be the sine is minus?
तो वो तो इग्नोर कर दिया.
Just a minute. Let me clear. To decide the graph, in which quadrant it will lie, don't convert into the inverse.
ठीक है.
Check sin x overall is positive, negative. Cos x is overall positive, negative. Tan x is overall positive, negative. Then you will decide in which quadrant it will lie. Clear? But whenever you need to find out the value of alpha, here you have minus. So in case of inverse, you will consider positive value. ठीक है तो exactly
quadrant में नहीं
हाँ
होगा.
अब in which quadrant it will
Third
be
and fourth.
third and fourth. You got my point. ठीक है third and fourth. So now this one is here. Clear? So now what about the alpha is 90 degree. Clear? So it means कि you will have 90 degree. This is your alpha value. Clear?
Yes.
Alpha is 90 degree. Clear? So in the first case, again you will have clockwise or anti-clockwise movement according to your
Clockwise.
anti-clockwise according to your range.
Clockwise.
Anti-clockwise. So first value here. Clear? So what about the value of alpha? Is in both case it is 90 degrees upper side na sorry yeah 90 degrees upper, sorry, just a minute. Yeah, one technical thing is just a minute. Look at this one. Sine minus x, theta is sine, just a minute, sine is 130 degree of this one. Yeah, okay. The theta, when the value is sine x is sine minus inverse पे, the value of alpha is 90. So the theta is okay. Yeah, possible. Yeah. अब now it will lie in these two kind of the quadrant. अब one important thing, because of 90 degree, I cannot mention on this one here. listen, it will be here, clear, right? So when it will be in this quadrant, the value of this one, it is 90 degree, am I right? So now it means ke in both case you will subtract 90 from 360 degree.
क्यों?
यार गाइस, यहाँ से यहाँ तक मूव कर रहा हूँ, यहाँ से मूव कर रहा हूँ. अब देखो वन इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग, क्या एंगल की वैल्यू आ रही है? यहाँ पे आ रहा है, ठीक है, यहाँ पे आ रहा है ना. व्हाट अबाउट द वैल्यू ऑफ थीटा?
90.
थीटा की वैल्यू यहाँ से यहाँ तक आ रहा हूँ. व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ थीटा? इज 270. एम आई राइट? क्लियर? तो व्हाट विल बी द वैल्यू ऑफ थीटा? इज 270.
Yes.
That was the point. Clear? So value of theta is
270.
270. Okay. How you can plot it? You can plot in this way. Another criteria. What is the criteria? Previously, sine x is -1. Okay. That was the theta. It was the sine x, that was the x, it was the sine x. Okay, 0. When the value of sine x is -1, you will hear क्या एंगल था? 90 डिग्री था ना? सही है. तो साइन का ग्राफ क्या था? यूं मूव हो रहा था. साइन 0 0, साइन 0 0, sin -1 is angle was 90 degree.
साइन 1 90 डिग्री पे साइन 1 है. 1 है साइन 90 डिग्री पे. तो
sin -1 पे, sin -1 पे is 270. सॉरी, what about ये 1 आया था? It was like this was. Just a minute. देखो दोनों तरीके से बता रहा हूँ. You can plot both graph. Okay, this is one graph. समझ में आ गया? It will be your alpha. तो move एंटी क्लॉकवाइज, तो व्हाट विल बी योर वैल्यू ऑफ थीटा इज 270 डिग्री. सही है. नाउ यू कैन यूज दिस ग्राफ एज वेल. साइन एक्स when 0, okay, what will be the value of, क्या वैल्यू थी 0 पे?
0
पे 0. यस.
90 पे 1.
90 पे 1. एंड व्हाट अबाउट 180?
0
0. ओके. व्हाट अबाउट 270? -1. So what will be the value of theta is 270. You got my point? When sin x is -1, the value of theta is 270. Clear? You can mark it. You got my point? Clear? Move forward. Okay. So I think you can do yourself, ना? It is easy. अब तो आसान लग रहे होंगे. ठीक है. अब एक और क्वेश्चन उठाते हैं. Now this is another question is what is the question is 2 cot square x minus 5 cosec x minus 1 equal to 0. Yeah. Now we try to solve it this way. What is the question is solve the equation. What? Solve the equation. क्या कह रहा है? 2 cot square x minus 5 cosec x and equal to -1 equal to 0, and the range is what? 0 clear. So whenever you have a questions related to solve the equations, again it is the end of this question. You will find out the alpha and find out the value of theta through the graph. Remember, in case of the proof, you will have to prove left hand side and right hand side. Okay, again this will the अब now again we have the basic graph, basic ratio graph, sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. Clear? Now you don't have the graph of cosec theta, cot theta, so you need to convert these ratios into the basic ratios first of all. Clear? Okay. Now solve this one. The cot theta is what? The cot theta is cos square over sin square x. Am I right? And this is 5 upon what? This is 5 upon, yeah, this is 5 upon sin x.
cot स्क्वायर x cos स्क्वायर x के बराबर कब हो गया?
Cot square theta is equal to,
वो तो cot थीटा होता है,
क्या?
cot थीटा बराबर होता है cos थीटा ओवर sin थीटा के.
One thing.
cot
Yes.
स्क्वायर थीटा तो cosec स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस
cosec, हाँ, yeah. Okay, but no, yeah, okay, but in case of the cot square theta, we can convert into, okay, just a minute. Good. The point is cot. What about this one? Cot square theta is cosec square theta
माइनस वन.
minus 1. So 2 cosec square x minus 2. Am I right?
Yes.
And minus 5 cosec x equal to minus 1 equal to 0. Now again it is kind of the quadratic equation. Clear? It is kind of the quadratic equation. Clear? So what is the quadratic equation? Is cosec square x minus 5 cosec x and minus 3 equal to 0. Factorize this quadratic equation. 2 3s are 6. Okay, so now 2 cosec square x minus 6 cosec x plus 1 cosec x into 3 equal to 0. Right? Clear? Same quadratic form, quadratic equation. Just to factorize this equation, consider these are simple x and y. ठीक है? Don't be confused. ठीक है? Okay? Clear? Okay? Is there any confusion?
वो पहले स्टेप में.
This one? बेटा इसमें ये किया ना, cot स्क्वायर what? 2 into cosec स्क्वायर x minus 1.
सही है.
तो 2 cosec स्क्वायर and minus 2.
ओके, माइनस वन
The-
माइनस वन.
ओके, डायरेक्ट लिख दिया मैंने.
तो ये ऊपर जो माइनस फाइव है.
और ये इधर ऐसे ही आ गया. And this one is also as it is.
ओके.
Clear बिल्कुल? It convert into this one, multiply directly the other. 2 cosec square minus 2 and 5 cosec x is same as it is, and minus 1 is also as it is.
सही है.
ठीक है? अब now it is factor. Okay,
Factor.
so minus 3. Okay, and this one is simple, this is simple. 2 3s are 6. So 6 cosec x plus 1 cosec x. ठीक है? तो what I can factor out? 2 cosec x. Okay, तो cosec x what? Minus 3. Clear? And what? 1 cosec x minus 3 equal to 0. Clear? This can be factored out. So directly I can write it this one. Cosec x minus 3 equal to 0, or what? 2 cosec x plus 1. Am I right?
यस.
2 cosec x plus
वन.
1 equal to 0. अच्छा, अब उधर लेकर जाते हैं ना. तो 3 ठीक है, अब वन थिंग, इसको तो आई कैन राइट इट cosec x equal to minus 1 over 2. Is there any graph to cosec x or sec x
नहीं,
or cot x? So what we need to do it? Convert into the sign.
तो अभी क्यों नहीं हुआ?
How I can convert now?
वो इक्वेशन से तो इसलिए वो फैक्टर आउट किया था ताकि कन्वर्ट हो जाए।
No, no. In equation we just find out the condition of cosec x simplified form.
अच्छा,
ठीक है, अब नाउ आई विल कन्वर्ट इनटू, जो मैंने अभी प्रीवियस उसमें बताया था, नाउ आई विल कन्वर्ट इनटू द साइन। अगर सेक होता तो इट विल कन्वर्ट इनटू द कॉस, यही बताया था ना। ठीक है, तो अब क्या करूंगा, 1 ओवर साइन,
सही है,
ठीक है, लिख सकता हूं 1 ओवर
साइन
साइन एक्स इक्वल टू 3। व्हाट अबाउट दिस वन, 1 ओवर साइन एक्स इक्वल टू माइनस 1/2। ऐसे ही है, अब रीअरेंज करो, जस्ट क्विक, डू योरसेल्फ क्विकली। या
x इक्वल साइन इनवर्स
तो साइन एक्स इक्वल टू 1 over 3
यस
and here the sin x equal to -2,
यस
sin x equal to -2, clear,
यस
right? तो अब now is it possible,
क्या
do you have the value of sin x -2?
इनवर्स माइनस 2, तो साइन इनवर्स 2 लेंगे अल्फा निकालने के लिए।
No, I am asking you कि is it possible कि we can plot a sin inverse -2?
नो,
Okay, अच्छा, first of all, why it is not possible?
ग्राफ नहीं है।
ग्राफ नहीं है, ठीक है, तो it means कि you don't need to plot this graph, clear? No, 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 you will mention, it is the examiner requirement, will not count, we will solve and we will mark, we will write the remarks here. It is impossible because sin x always lie between -1 to 1. You have extra marks for this one, okay? So you have to mention this one, okay? Why you are not going to plot the graph of this? Clear? आगे move करें। अब now look at this one. Find out this one. What is the value of alpha sin inverse 1 over 3?
19.5
Okay. 19.5 degree. So बच्चों, first of all sin is positive,
यस,
so where it will be
फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड
first and second. तो अच्छा, just mark here complete scaling, okay? Yes, ये है, but one important thing, I am going to mark complete value here. It is 90,
यस,
it is
180
180, it is
70
270, but we have a range of 0 and 180. Sign will be positive where the sign will be positive in this quadrant,
यस,
okay, and in this quadrant. These are in my range,
Yes.
0 to 180.
यस,
Okay, अब for example, you will have the minus, समझाने के लिए बता रहा हूं, आपके पास ये होता तो where the sign will be
थर्ड एंड फोर्थ लेकिन इग्नोर कर देते।
third and fourth, तो it means के third and fourth according to my range the sign is negative in this region, clear? So I will not plot the graph, I will mark I will write a reason. Okay, now according to this condition, the sine x is minus, so the minus sine x lies in third and fourth quadrant, but the range is x 0 to 180, so that's why we will not consider this portion.
Okay.
So you will write a reason, okay? So that's why we are not plotting a graph, or we are not able to calculate the value of theta here. Clear?
तो अभी तो कर देंगे.
अब अभी करेंगे हम, समझाने के लिए बताया बेटा, ठीक है? करो यार, ये 19.5 डिग्री, तो ये थीटा इज व्हाट अबाउट द नेक्स्ट थीटा इज यस
160.5.
theta is 160.5. So now the theta is 19.5 degree and theta is 5 degree. Clear? Right? Okay, the next. One question. The cos, the radian. The value of z is, okay, yes, one important question. Okay, the question is cos z plus pi over 6, cos z plus pi over 6 equal to minus 1 over 2. The range is here z spot 2 pi. Radian. Okay. Yeah, guys. First of all, change the range. Okay. Change the range.
इसमें करना क्या है?
Again, find out the value of alpha and plot the graph. Simple. Radian ये दिया हुआ है. Find the value of alpha. Find the value of alpha, that is alpha and theta, or he can ask solve it. Simple, solve it. Clear? Now what is the difference? The range is z, the radian is 0 and 2 pi. Clear? Now you need to convert first of all the range. Change the range. Yes. क्या करूँगा बच्चों? Pi by 6 at both sides. Am I right? You change the z. This is z. Okay. Pi by 6 because z pi by 6 here the z, to z pi by 6 here, pi by 6 here. ठीक है? तो now 0 plus pi by 6 less than z plus pi by 6, okay, less than 2 pi by plus pi by 6. To find out the range, it is what? Pi by 6 is what?
Pi by 6.
Just write there in the decimal values.
0.52.
52. Yes. Solve this one. It is what? 7 pi 12 pi यानी 13 pi divided by 6. Am I right?
Yes.
ठीक है, तो इसको कन्वर्ट करो, क्या आ रहा है?
6.8.
6 point. ठीक है, this is your range. Clear? अब now range of radian. Clear? यानी radius. Okay? तो move forward. I think you are tired. Okay. So first of all, just try to solve it. The z plus pi by 6 equal to cos inverse 1 over 2. Am I right? To find out this one.
Cos inverse 1 over 2. 1.04 in radian mode.
1.04. Okay, in the radian mode. So 1.04. Clear? So अब now you have to plot the 1.04. So cos inverse alpha is 1.04 minus 1 upon 2 is not in the radian mode. नहीं, just give it the answer in just first of all. बाद में convert करेंगे, पहले मुझे बताओ. Not in the radian mode. It is 60. 60. 60 degree. Clear? So this is 0 and this one is 2 pi. ऐसे ही
Pi over 2. अच्छा 2 pi हाँ.
है ना? And this is pi. What about this one?
Pi over 2.
Pi over 2 and this is 3 pi over 2, I think. 3 pi over 2. 270. Okay?
3 pi over 2 जो 4.71 आ रहा है.
नहीं, not in the radian. 270
degree mode.
No, in the degree. 3 pi over 2 is 270. Three point 180 multiplied by 3 divided by 2. 270. Clear? So yes, what? Now find out the value of this is 60. यानी z plus pi over 6 equal to 60. ऐसे ही है? Now so it means कि the theta is 60 degree. So no, the cost is minus, cost is negative, the cost is negative. One mistake is here. Okay, let me correct. Sorry, cost is negative. Where the cost will be negative?
Third and fourth.
Third and fourth.
नहीं, second and third.
The cost will be negative in second and
Third.
third. Second and third. This value Okay, z plus pi by 6 equal to 60 degree. Second and third, this one, na?
Hmm.
And this one is. So what about this one is? Yeah, pi
Minus 60.
60. Pi minus 60. So pi minus 60 is what?
180.
Pi नहीं यानी pi in term of pi 60 equal to pi by 3.
60 plus pi
Pi by 3. Okay. So it means it is pi by 3, right? This one is pi by 3. Am I right?
Yes.
Pi by 3. Clear?
Yes.
So it means that the theta is one value what? Pi minus
Pi by 3.
pi by 3. To solve it 3 pi yani 2 pi upon 3. Am I right?
Yes.
2 pi upon 3. Clear? And what about this one?
Pi plus
Pi plus pi by 3. So now what about this
4
one?
over 3 pi.
Theta equals to pi plus pi by 3. So what? 4 pi
Over 3.
over 3. Okay. This is the value of theta. Clear? Up now, what you need to do it? You have to find out the value of z.
Yes.
Clear? So what is the value of z? Z plus pi by 6 equal to what? Z plus pi by 6 equal to what? It is equal to हम थीटा की वैल्यू निकाल चुके हैं 2 pi by 3. Clear? 2 pi by 3. Am I right?
Yes.
2 pi by 3.
तो प्लस वाले में भी तो ले सकते हैं थीटा.
इससे भी लूंगा ना, इससे भी लूंगा.
अच्छा, दो दफा लेना है.
Exactly. Now the 2 pi by 3. Find out the value is what? भाई ये हो गया ना, मैं ये लिख रहा हूं ना z plus pi by 6 ना, it is equal to what? एक वैल्यू क्या आई है? एक वैल्यू इज व्हाट? थीटा. ऐसे ही है ना,
pi over 3.
pi 2 pi over
3.
3 and second one is 4 pi over
3.
3. तो सॉल्व करो z की वैल्यू के लिए. तो z इक्वल्स टू 2 pi by 3 minus pi by 6 and z equal to 4 pi by 3 minus pi by 6. Clear? Solve it.
पहले वाले के लिए 1 over 2 pi.
1 over
2 pi.
1 over 2 pi. Final answer. Final answer.
1.5.
Final answer is this one. तो इसको डायरेक्टली आई कैन राइट इज इन द रेडियन फॉर्म 1.5. What about this one?
4 pi over 3 minus pi by 6. 4 over 3 pi. 7 over 6 pi.
7 over
6 pi.
नहीं, final answer is it is 1.5 ना, finally in decimal. What about in the decimal? Radian form. Yeah.
Three point six six.
3.66. Clear? So this value lie between this one.
Yes.
Clear? So it is your answer. You got my point? Okay guys, I think hopefully everything is clear now, and that was from my side. Inshallah, in the coming video we will try to solve further questions of trigonometric identities or equation. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.